Class. Definition: a class is a user-defined data type that encapsulates both data and functions. It allows you to define a type of object with its own attributes and behaviors. Instance creation: to use a class, you create instances, objects, from it. Each instance represents a specific example of the class with its own set of data and functions. Blueprint for objects: a class serves as a blueprint for creating objects. It defines the properties, attributes, and methods, functions, that objects of this class will have. Example: consider a book class. It will have properties. The book class has properties such as title, author, and year, which store data about the book. Member function: the display info function prints out the details of the book. Object creation: an instance of book named MyBook is created, and the display info method is called to show the book's details. Access modifiers. Access modifiers control the visibility and accessibility of class members, attributes and methods, in C++. They determine how and where the members can be accessed. Public. Definition: members declared as public are accessible from anywhere in the program. Usage: provides a way to expose class members that should be accessible from outside the class. Private. Definition: members declared as private are only accessible within the class itself. They are not accessible from outside the class or by derived classes. Usage: used to encapsulate and protect data from being modified directly by outside code. Protected: see more in inheritance. Definition: members declared as protected are accessible within the class itself and by derived classes. They are not accessible from outside the class. Usage: allows derived classes to access and modify these members, facilitating inheritance. Constructors. A constructor is a special type of method in a class used to initialize objects. It is called automatically when an object of the class is created. Name: the constructor's name must be the same as the class name. Return type: constructors do not have a return type, not even void. Accessibility: constructors must be public to allow object creation and initialization from outside the class. Types of constructor. Default constructor: constructor which is automatically generated by compiler. Parameterized constructor: arguments are passed. Object. Definition: an object is a real-world entity that encapsulates both attributes, data, and behavior, methods. It represents a specific instance of a class. Instance of class: an object is created based on the blueprint provided by a class. Each object is an individual instance of that class and has its own set of attribute values. Example: 1984 by George Orwell, Public 1949. Principles of OOP: encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism. Coming soon. Thanks for watching.